Hello, my name is Hugh and welcome to my channel and my chair. This is what we're going to be using on today's project. It's 8.5 inches wide, 1.5 inches thick. It's actually a scaffolding board, and it's what I built the benches out of in this workshop and my previous one. So that side's nice, but if you can, I don't know if your camera's picking that up. The pith is there and there, and there's some cracks. So as you can see, they're cracking on the back. So that bit's useless. The other thing I'm going to be using is this, which is a little figure of a bird. And to save time, I've drawn 3 of them out there. So what I'll be doing is cutting this out on the bandsaw. I've marked out for the eyes, which I shall be doing on the drill press, and there'll be very little sanding on this because I'm actually going to burn it. So I want the roughness of this scaffolding board to come out. So yeah, that's it basically. There's not going to be much talking from me, so you'll either be listening to the sounds of a bandsaw and a little bit of sanding, or I might get some nice music for you. So I'll see you in a second on my bandsaw. Okay, one thing I forgot to mention, you don't actually need a bandsaw to do this. Those could quite easily be cut out with a jigsaw. So I'm going to turn my dust extraction on, so sorry if it's going to get a bit noisy. Okay, there we have 3 potential door stops. I am going to give these just a quick light sanding, get rid of some of the pencil marks and just ease off the edges. There you go, quick sanding, done. So I'll just get my compressor up, blow all the sawdust away, or sanding dust, because that and naked frames don't work well together. I'm leaving the rough edges there because that'll help grip on a carpet or a wooden floor. See you in a sec. you go. 3 burnt lumps of scaffolding board in the shape of birds for doorsteps. So I'm going to give these a quick wire brush just to get some of the soot out of the grains, and then sanding sealer, and then drill the holes. So let me get all of these done and I'll bring you back. And I have got my mask on. It's having a bit of a rainstorm at the moment, so the workshop door is shut. Okay, I'm going to let that dry off. Give it a little rub down with some Nyweb or 600 grit sandpaper, and then apply another few coats. Then I'll take it to the drill press, 15mm forcing a bit through there to make the eye, and I've got to do that off camera because I can't get a camera near the drill press. So I'll see you back in my chair. Hello again. Well, here they are. 3 doorstop wedges made from an offcut of a scaffolding board, and they literally took in real time just over 15 minutes to make all 3. It's a great little project. They'll be going at my craft fairs. It's a little impulse buy. So yeah, excuse the thunder. I told you we're having a rainstorm, didn't I? Oh, blimey. Right, so yeah, if you've liked what you've seen, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't, give it a thumbs down. Either way, leave a comment. I read them all, I reply to them all. And if you don't like it and you don't tell me why, I won't be able to fix it to maybe make things that you do like. If it's your first time here and you've liked it and you're not subscribed, you can click on my icon at the bottom and hit all on the notification bell, and YouTube lets you know when I upload my videos, which is normally a Thursday morning. So all you oldies, diehards, originals, Joachim Ariane, thank you very much. It is truly appreciated. Keep on gaining subscribers, which I'm over the moon about. I'm very humbled. So all that's left for me to say now is thanks for watching. Like it, share it, subscribe if you're not, and please take care. Stay safe. I'll see you next week, hopefully without a thunderstorm, and